Joint Genesis is a potent joint health supplement created by BioDynamix that helps to alleviate pain and improve joint comfort, flexibility, and mobility by promoting optimal joint health. Hello friends, I am Roy and today I am giving the complete review of BioDynamix Joint Genesis Dietary Supplement. Joint pains are common especially among middle-aged or older adults. They affect mobility, flexibility, and movement. If not addressed, the problem can be a lifetime nightmare. Joint Genesis is a natural formula that will take care of your joint health. It focuses on the root cause of joint pain and delivers permanent relief. Joint Genesis is a one-of-a-kind joint support formula capable of keeping your synovial fluids dense and healthy, enabling you to enjoy more comfortable joint health. It's science-backed formula with a unique approach to address the root cause of inflammation and destroy age-related joint decay. It suits anyone with joint discomfort, low lubricant, or fluid development. This supplement supports your body in regaining the hyaluronan as you age and keep the cartilage tissue nourished. The Joint Genesis formula allows you to enjoy a new era and gradually improve synovial fluid thickness. This Joint Genesis is the first ever supplement that beat every product on the market with its unique joint-supporting nutrients approach that has been shown to multiply hyaluronan molecules. With this cutting-edge supplement, you experience the beauty of walking, bending, and stretching your body as you like with stronger cartilage and joints. Dr. Mark Weiss, MD, a well-known author and physician, deliberately created Joint Genesis, a 100% natural remedy for relieving joint discomfort. 5 entirely natural, medically researched components are combined in this special recipe to provide possible advantages for people who experience joint discomfort brought on by joint degeneration due to age or inflammation. Significance of Joint Genesis. This product lessens joint irritation while assisting in maintaining joint mobility and flexibility. The resistance between the joint surfaces must be reduced for optimum joint performance and health. Adequate synovial fluid in the joints assists in minimizing pain and inflammation by reducing tissue tears and wear. A significant joint investigation revealed that osteoarthritis prevention and cartilage health maintenance depend on appropriate lubrication. Joint lubrication's critical function is promoting toxin clearance and nutritional dispersion. Joint Genesis facilitates nutrient distribution and waste elimination while reducing resistance among the surfaces of joints. Studies indicate that the joint fluid's role in feeding cartilage in joints and eliminating contaminants contributes to preserving joint components' general durability and wellness. When you are not adaptable and flexible, your life quality declines. Therefore, joint lubrication is essential for maintaining mobility and flexibility. Adequate lubrication enables, without discomfort, painless motion and aids in preventing rigidity. Joint Genesis contains a powerful ingredient that increases the number of hyaluronan molecules in the synovial fluid by up to 10 times. It rehydrates and thickens the synovial fluid, nourishing and lubricating the joints and promoting a healthy inflammatory response. Joint Genesis helps maintain healthy, strong, youthful joints even as you age. Some of the formula's key ingredients are antioxidants that restore hyaluronan and synovial fluid and prevent joint and cartilage inflammation. How to use Joint Genesis. Joint Genesis comes in capsule package, which should last you for 30 days. The manufacturer suggests taking 1 capsule of Joint Genesis daily with a glass of water. Each dose provides better absorption of nutrients needed to improve joint health and restore mobility. The manufacturer recommends consuming Joint Genesis for at least 3 to 6 months without breaks for best results. The formula provides joint relief without causing adverse side effects but ensures you don't exceed the recommended dosage. Customers can order Joint Genesis online on the official website. You can buy Joint Genesis supplement at $39 only with free shipping. The company offers a 180-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you are unhappy with Joint Genesis, you can return the empty bottle and get a 100% refund. So friends, after watching this review video of BioDynamix Joint Genesis Dietary Supplement, if you buy it and get huge discount offer, so buy only from official website. Thank you for watching.